Are you curious about the transformative potential of reducing sugar in your diet, not just for your physical health but also for your overall well-being? Healthy Living with a Low-Sugar Diet is your guide to adopting a lifestyle that emphasizes the benefits of minimizing sugar intake, leading to improved health and vitality. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of healthy living. We all know how essential it is to take care of our bodies and minds, and in this video, we've got some fantastic tips and insights to help you lead a healthier, happier life. So, if you're ready to embark on this journey towards a more vibrant you, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell, so you won't miss any of our valuable content. In this article, we'll delve into the world of low-sugar living, unveiling the secrets of how it can positively impact your health, energy levels, and long-term well-being. 1. The Sweet Dilemma. In the opening paragraph, introduce the dilemma of sugar consumption, a pervasive element in our diets that can pose challenges to our health. Pique the reader's curiosity by suggesting that this guide holds the key to understanding the profound effects of reducing sugar intake. 2. Understanding low-sugar diets. Begin by defining what a low-sugar diet is and why it matters. Describe how it entails limiting the consumption of added sugars and focusing on natural, unprocessed foods to promote health. 3. Sugar's impact on health. Delve into the importance of understanding sugar's impact on health. Emphasize how excessive sugar consumption is linked to obesity, type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other chronic conditions. 4. Balancing blood sugar. Discuss how a low-sugar diet helps in maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Explain how this can prevent energy spikes and crashes, reducing fatigue and mood swings. 5. The role of whole foods. Explore the significance of whole foods in a low-sugar diet. Highlight how fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins provide essential nutrients without the harmful effects of added sugars. 6. Healthy fats and satiety. Highlight the presence of healthy fats in low-sugar diets. Discuss how these fats promote satiety and help control cravings, making it easier to maintain the dietary approach. 7. Mental clarity and mood. Discuss how a low-sugar diet can positively affect mental clarity and mood. Share how reduced sugar intake can lead to better concentration, memory, and a more stable emotional state. 8. The long-term journey. Conclude with the idea that adopting a low-sugar lifestyle isn't just a short-term fix, it's a lifelong commitment to improved health and well-being. Encourage readers to view low-sugar living as a long-lasting approach to achieving a healthier, more vibrant life. By the end of this article, readers will not only understand the significance of a low-sugar diet but will also be motivated to incorporate it into their daily lives, savoring the benefits of improved health, stable energy levels, and a stronger foundation for long-term well-being. Healthy Living with a Low-Sugar Diet is a journey into a world of dietary wisdom, where every meal becomes an opportunity to reduce sugar, boost your health, and secure a healthier and more vibrant life. So, let's embark on this low-sugar journey and discover the remarkable benefits it offers for your health and overall vitality. As we wrap up this video on healthy living, remember that making small, positive changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvements in your overall well-being. We hope you found this information useful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family. Together, we can all strive for a healthier, happier, and more fulfilling life. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.